Well, it's been a while, but time to get back into the FPV scene. Dusted off an old FPV drone, custom build, super old parts. Definitely needs an update to the firmware and stronger tune. You can see on the test flight that the PIDs are super low. Can up them probably by at least 5 to 8 points. Want to know how old this is? It's running, I believe, one-shot ESCs. How bad is that? Anyhow, the F4 board, I think it's Omnibus F4SD. Got a 250 watt transmitter, 5.8 gigahertz, running DSMX protocol. The motors are 1407 3500 kV. Anyhow, probably good for cruising. It's a 169mm Deadcat. I've flown it a few times. Just needs a good tune.